Let me tell you a harsh truth. The world doesn't care about your pain. Nobody really does. And once you realize this, you'll set yourself free. This isn't negativity, it's power. This is not loneliness, it's the path to your own peace. And in this video, I'm going to show you, through Buddhist wisdom, why focusing on yourself is not selfish, it's survival. Part 1, the illusion of attention. We live in a time where validation feels like oxygen. Likes, shares, comments, they fool us into believing people care. But when you fall, when you truly break, when your world crashes, how many will stay? Buddhism says, attachment is the root of suffering. And one of the deepest attachments we have is the illusion that people will always be there for us. Let me tell you a story. Story of the broken monk. A young monk once asked Buddha, "Why do I feel empty when people ignore me?" Buddha smiled and pointed to a well. "Throw a rock inside," he said. The monk did. "Now wait for the water to care." The monk waited, nothing happened. That, Buddha said, is life. You throw in your pain, your cries, and expect echoes, but life remains still. Not because it's cruel, but because it teaches you to find your strength within. Stop waiting for people to notice your struggle. Start focusing on becoming the one who no longer needs their attention. Part 2, why people don't care and why that's okay. Here's the raw truth. Everyone's busy fighting their own demons. Your pain is not their priority. Your failure, your tears, your loneliness, these are not community projects. And Buddhism doesn't blame them. It liberates you. Buddhist insight, you are your own master, who else could be? Expecting others to fix you is like standing in the rain and waiting for someone to build you a house. If you accept no one is coming, you finally start building. This is where real self-transformation begins. Part 3, becoming self-focused without becoming selfish. There's a huge misunderstanding in society. When you choose yourself, people call you selfish. But Buddhism teaches the opposite. If your cup is empty, what will you pour into others? Better than 1,000 hollow words is one word that brings peace, the Buddha, and that one word is yourself. Short story, there was once a man who spent all his life trying to please everyone. When he died, not one person remembered his name. He gave everything, but forgot to give to himself. Don't be that man. Hook. You can't be good to others if you're always betraying yourself. Focus on you. That's not ego, that's enlightenment. Part 4, the path of silence, the Buddhist way of detachment. Buddhism teaches the concept of upeksha, equanimity, emotional balance. It says don't react, just observe. When someone mocks you, observe. When someone ignores you, observe. When people walk away, let them. The silence you create becomes your power. When you stop explaining yourself to people who never cared, you gain peace that cannot be disturbed. Part 5, the poison of comparison. Scrolling on social media, watching your friend's perfect life, feeling like you're not enough. This is modern suffering, but Buddha warned us, there is no fire like passion, no shark like hatred, no snare like folly, no torrent like greed. Comparison is a trap, it's endless, it's toxic. Short Buddhist parable. A student once asked his master, "Why does he get more attention than me?" The master replied, "Because he's shouting. But the deepest rivers make no noise. Focus on depth, not volume. Let them shine loudly, you shine silently." Part 6, turning pain into power. Your pain has two paths. Drown in it. Grow from it. Buddha sat under the Bodhi tree in deep suffering, but he didn't run. He faced his demons. And what did he find? Enlightenment. Your pain is the doorway to your peace, but only if you stop blaming others and focus on healing yourself. Nobody cares about your past, but if you use it to build your future, they'll care about your success. Part 7, how to actually start focusing on yourself, step by step. Let's get practical. Here are 7 Buddhist-inspired ways to focus only on yourself. Daily silence. Sit in silence for 10 minutes. No phone, no people, just you. Discover the chaos within, then calm it. Emotional detachment. Ask yourself, is this mine? Before reacting to anyone's drama. Most of it isn't. Right livelihood, samyak ajiva. Do work that brings inner joy, not outer praise. Let go ritual. Write down the names of people you're holding onto. Burn the paper, feel the freedom. Minimalism. Remove one toxic habit every week. Less is more. Fewer people, fewer distractions, more peace. Walking meditation. Walk alone every morning mindfully. Breathe, observe, heal. Daily mantra. Repeat, I am enough, I choose me. Every morning, out loud. The world will chase the loudest person, but peace will find the quietest one. Part 8, why Buddhism tells you to walk alone, the real truth. People fear loneliness, but Buddhist monks live in it and find bliss. Why? Because solitude sharpens the soul. Work out your own salvation. Do not depend on others. Buddha. Walking alone forces you to meet the real you. Without filters, without distractions, without lies. It's painful, but it's pure. In the beginning, it feels empty. But slowly, you fill that space with your true self. Part 9, the people who will come later. Here's the twist. Once you focus on yourself, once you master your emotions, once you stop chasing, the right people find you, not because you begged, but because you became magnetic. Buddhist truth, when your inner world is clean, the outer world reflects it. Fix your world inside, and the outside will align. Part 10, final words from the Buddha. Let me leave you with this powerful quote from Buddha. No one saves us but ourselves. No one can and no one may. We ourselves must walk the path. This is not sadness. It's strength. This is not giving up on people. It's giving up the illusion that they'll complete you. You complete you. If you're still watching, you're already walking the path. Don't stop now. Stop posting your pain for likes. Stop proving yourself to people who scroll past. Stop hoping the world will care. Care for yourself. Focus on yourself. Because the more you do, the more you'll realize that was enough.